everybody. Welcome to the show. I'm Christine Dawes. So how long has it been since we've seen anything new in kitchen knives? 10, 20, 30 years? Well, today is the day. Now, there's new kitchen knife technology that is going to make every metal knife in your kitchen virtually obsolete. And here to tell us all about it is my buddy, John Parkin. Hi, John.
Hey, Christine.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Christine, I hope you believe in magic. Don't blink or you're going to miss this. Take a look at that.
Oh, that was lightning fast.
You know what? This is the magic of ceramic. Watch again. And you know what? This is the Kenji knife with advanced ceramic.
John, that was incredible. Lightning fast. I've had ceramic bowls in my kitchen for years, but I've never thought they'd come up with a ceramic knife.
But this is not just ordinary ceramic. This is the Kenji knife with advanced ceramic, and it's going to stay sharp, guaranteed, for life.
John, I have a problem with my stainless steel knives at home. Rust.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. You mean like this?
Yes, exactly. Look at that. Doesn't that look horrible?
Yeah.
Why does it do that?
Well, you know, metal and steel knives, they can rust, but the Kenji knife will never rust because it's an advanced ceramic blade. And what's more, you'll never ruin the taste nor texture of your food. Look, here's an apple for you.
Okay.
And an apple for me. Let's do a little test. Now, let's just cut these apples in half. Now then, we'll come back to that later. Christine, look at these apples. It's been less than 5 minutes. And look at your apple you cut with that metal knife.
It's all brown. Look at that. I get that all the time with my knife at home.
You know, that's called oxidation. That's another way of saying the rusting effect. I mean, you don't want this on your food at home. I mean, look, you can see the difference. And trust me, you don't want to eat something like that. You'll taste the difference, kid.
Okay, John, I've got this apron on. Now what are we doing?
Well, you know what? You've heard of the phrase walking on eggshells. Well, Christine, if you're not careful, you're going to be cutting on eggshells. What we've got here are 3 identical glass chopping boards, and they're all supported on raw eggs. So if we use too much pressure or too much hard work, then guess what? Well, with the Kenji, it ain't going to be a problem. Because with this super sharp knife, look, I can cut through that, and it's almost effort-free. Okay, your turn.
Does it look too hard? Let me give this a try. Oh, gosh, I can't believe that happened. I wasn't pressing that hard. I didn't think.
You press hard enough to break the eggs. Okay, let's try over here. Now then, look, here we've got some raw tuna. And don't forget, with the advanced ceramic blade, guess what? It's so lightweight, you know, it's not hard work. You want to give it a second go?
Okay, I'm not going to press too hard this time. I'm going to give it a try and try it better so it's gentle. I can't believe it broke again.
Okay, you got one more chance. Now then, remember, you've got a super sharp knife that's lightweight. So in fact, you know what? You're going to get true fingertip control. It's that simple. Okay, your turn.
I'm a little nervous this time. I'm trying really easy. Okay.
Careful.
Oh,
you know what?
John.
3 strikes, you're out.
I can't believe it. These metal knives could not hold up to the Kenji.
But remember, we've actually just proven with the super sharp Kenji knife that in fact what's happened is you've taken all the hard work out of prep work.
Tired of knives that just don't cut it? Once they're dull, they're done. They squash tomatoes, squish bread, and turn meal preparation into hours of frustration. And worse, they get rust spots that can spoil food flavors, and in no time, your knives and cash go in the trash. Not anymore. Introducing Kenji, the first ceramic knife of its kind and the first breakthrough in kitchen cutlery in more than a quarter of a century. The Kenji slicing secret is the blade. Made of diamond-hard zirconium oxide ceramic, it's 40% harder than steel and one of the strongest, most durable materials on Earth. The edge is laser-honed and precision-engineered, so it is absolutely, positively guaranteed to stay razor-sharp for life. Don't believe it? Slicing into a concrete block would destroy any metal knife, but not the Kenji. After the most extreme abuse, it still slices like a hot knife through butter. Steel knives dull and rust in no time, but the Kenji Advanced Ceramic will never rust, ever. And metal knives promote food oxidation and spoilage. Slice an apple with a metal knife, and you can watch it spoil. But the apple sliced with the Kenji Advanced Ceramic still looks fresh-picked. Kenji Advanced Ceramic is the Japanese cutlery breakthrough you've been waiting for. And now anyone can slice and prepare any food fast and easy, just like a pro. And right now, you get the amazing Kenji Advanced Ceramic knife for this incredibly low price. But wait! Along with the 6-inch Kenji, you'll also receive this Kenji ceramic paring knife. The paring knife is perfect for slicing and paring all of the small stuff you'd need for any meal. Strawberries and grapes, radishes and baby onions, and it's ideal for preparing herbs for salads. And the paring knife is yours free. Order now and we'll also send you the protective blade sleeves. Sleeves to keep your premium Kenji cutlery stored safely. And there's more. Order now and you'll get the Kenji ceramic peeler with never dull ceramic blades that maintain their razor-sharp edges forever. Watch how it literally shaves off the skin of this peach. It's great for all your fruits and vegetables, and with the swivel head, you can peel about anything with lightning speed. And the ceramic peeler is yours free. And there's even more. If you order right now, we'll also send you the exclusive Kenji folding cutting board that keeps foods clean and off the countertop and folds for easy distribution directly into the bowl or pan. And it's yours free. So stop slicing with old, dull, rusted knives that just don't cut it. Call to order the incredible Kenji with advanced ceramic right now.
Because the Kenji is so versatile that whether you want to fillet fish, or maybe you want to bone fish, or you want to take, the skin from fish, have a look at that.
That was so simple, it's like it literally jumped out of its skin.
And Christine, don't forget the Kenji's the most durable knife that you've ever seen. And I'm going to prove it to you. And I say durable with a capital D. Now, here we've got a solid steel hammer.
Wow, that's heavy. It's the real deal.
And have a look at this, because I'm going to cut and carve into this steel hammer and just look and see what I can see. So, Christine, tell me what you see.
Look at those black metal filings.
But you don't see any white filings because we haven't damaged the ceramic blade. In fact, let me move this out the way and I'll prove it to you. In fact, this is a knife you're going to use in your kitchen, in your home, day in, day out, week in, week out, every single day of your life. In fact, you've got a cheese knife, you've got a carving knife, you've got a utility knife, you've got a bread knife, a boning knife. It's a knife that you can slice, you can dice, you can chop. It really is the only knife you need. And what's more, it will always stay super sharp.
Wow, that's incredible. And John, this knife is so advanced, it's beyond simple.
It's going to make all your prep time in the kitchen so simple. Whether you want a thick slice or whether you want a thin slice, it's as easy and as simple as that.
I've never seen a knife so sharp.
But have a look at this. I've got this big old piece of rock here, and even if I carve this piece of rock, I can't dull or take the edge off this knife. In fact, with the Kenji, it's the fastest, it's the simplest, it's the quickest, it's the cleanest way to slice just about anything. The first slice, the 1000th slice, each and every time.
You went through that so quick.
And you know what? When it comes to preparing onions in the kitchen, that's a job everybody hates. But you'll slice and dice onions so quickly, your eyes don't even have time to water.
No
and
tears.
What's more, you can do a large slice of ham, a thick slice for supper, or you can do a thin slice for a deli sandwich. Because whether it's large or small, hard or soft, thick or thin, it makes no difference. In fact, you know what? Whether it's farm fresh or frozen, this is the knife for you.
The Kenji is the only knife we need. John, the Kenji really is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing it with us today.
It's my pleasure.
If you want the very latest and greatest in kitchen technology, then you need Kenji Advanced Ceramic Knives. Here's how to get yours.
Telemarketing. Έξυπνα προϊόντα.